How's it going, everyone? So today I want to talk about how to learn a British accent for beginners. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a few words and how to say them with a British accent. Again, my British accent is okay. Some people, I can do different accents. British, German, okay, maybe not very good German, but I can do a few different accents. So duty, so when you're saying duty in British, so duty, D-U-T-Y, is pronounced duty, duty, not duty, 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 or a softer duty, duty, if you know what I mean. So again, instead of saying D-U-T-Y, you would say D-E-W-T-Y or J-O-O-T-Y. So instead of saying duty, it's duty, or a softer duty. So again, that's how British people say it. The word bin, so B-E-E-N, is pronounced bean. So B-E-A-N, rather than bin or bin. So instead of B-I-N or B-E-N, it's bean. Where have you been? Something like that. If there is a T in the middle of a word, you don't pronounce it. But if the T is at the end of the word, you would pronounce it, you guys. So again, very important. If there is a T in the middle of the word, you don't pronounce it. But if there's a T at the end, you would pronounce it. So it, you would say it because the T is at the end. Better, you would say beater, or beer, beer. You wouldn't say, when you're saying better, you wouldn't say the T in the middle, you guys. So again, American accent stopped would be stupid, stupid, stooped. Sorry, not stupid, stooped. So again, stopped would be stupid, stupid. So most double O words are actually replaced with oo. So again, if there's stopped, sorry, if it's stopped with S-T-O-O-P-E-D, it's stupid. So most double O words are actually replaced with oo. So stupid. So it's like you're saying stupid, you guys. Car becomes ka and far becomes fa. So ka and far becomes fa. Just like that, you guys. Now, again, my British accent, nowhere near that of a British person, but I got this video title from a subscriber. They wanted to know how to get a British accent. I did my best. If I butchered some words, I do apologize. Again, I am trying my best here. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.